Welcome back, everyone, to the channel where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most useful real-life situations you will ever be in as an English speaker: the supermarket. I am so excited about this lesson because it is packed with vocabulary you can actually use tomorrow. And speaking of the supermarket, I have someone very special with me today. Jack, how are you doing?
To be honest, Emma, I have had a very interesting morning.
Oh, really? Tell me everything.
Okay, so I needed one apple, just one apple. I walked into the supermarket and I saw this massive metal cart, the big one with wheels, and I thought, okay, this looks very official, very serious. So I took it
You took the big cart for one apple.
for one apple, and I pushed this huge cart all around the store. People were looking at me. I could feel it. And then I finally found my apple, and I walked to the checkout, and the person at the counter started asking me all these questions very fast, and I panicked. I actually left. I walked out of the store without my apple.
Oh, Jack. Oh, no. You left without the apple?
I left without the apple. I was too embarrassed, and now I am here with no apple, and a lot of confusion.
Okay, first of all, I want you to know that this happens to so many English learners, and it is nothing to be ashamed of. The supermarket can actually feel very overwhelming when you do not know the right words. But here is the good news. Supermarket English is honestly one of the easiest things to learn, once you know the secret vocabulary. And today, I am going to teach you everything. By the end of this video, you will be ready to go back to that supermarket and get your apple with total confidence.
I am ready. I really need that apple.
And before we start, Jack, do you want to say something to our wonderful viewers?
Yes, absolutely. Hey everyone, if this video is already helping you, please hit the like button right now. It really helps our channel grow. And if you are new here and you want to learn real, natural, everyday English, please subscribe. We have so many lessons just like this one waiting for you. Okay, Emma, teach me, please.
All right, let us start with part 1. And this is actually where your first mistake happened, Jack. When you walked into the supermarket, you took the big cart. But did you need the big cart?
I needed one apple, so probably not.
Exactly. So in English, we have two main options for carrying your shopping. The first one is the shopping cart. This is the big one, the one with 4 wheels that you push. We also sometimes call it a trolley in some places. You use a shopping cart when you are buying a lot of things. A full week of groceries, for example.
That is what I took, the big one, for my one apple.
And the second option is the shopping basket. A basket is much smaller. You carry it in your hand or on your arm. You use a shopping basket when you are buying just a few items, like one apple.
Oh no, I should have taken the basket.
A shopping basket was perfect for you today, so just remember, many items, use the cart. Few items, use the basket. Can you say both of those words for me?
Shopping cart, shopping basket.
Perfect. Now, the next thing you need to know is how to find what you are looking for inside the supermarket. Supermarkets are big. They are organized into sections, and each section is called an aisle. Aisle. Aisle.
Aisle? Wait, is the S silent?
Yes, the S is completely silent. You do not say ale cell. You say aisle, like the word aisle, with a little extra sound at the end. Aisle.
Aisle. That is so tricky. English is so tricky sometimes.
It is, but now you know it. So when you are in the supermarket and you cannot find something, you ask a member of staff for help. And the most natural, polite way to do this is to say, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?"
Not just, where is milk?
Never just, "Where is milk?" That sounds a little abrupt. The natural, friendly version is, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" Or you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me find the cereal?" Both are perfect. The phrase, "Where can I find?" is so useful because you can put anything at the end. Where can I find the bread? Where can I find the pasta? Where can I find the apples?
Where can I find the apples? I like that one very much personally.
I thought you might. Okay, so we have shopping cart, shopping basket, aisle, and the question, where can I find? You are already doing so well. Now, before we move on to part two, I want to take a moment to talk to our amazing viewers directly. Everyone watching right now, I want you to go to the comment section right now and type this. "I always buy," and then write your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket. For example, "I always buy bananas," or "I always buy coffee." We read every single comment, and we absolutely love hearing from you. It is one of our favorite parts of making these videos. Go ahead and type it right now while the lesson continues.
I always buy apples. Usually.
Usually. Okay, Jack. Let us talk about what happened at the checkout. Tell me exactly what the cashier said to you.
Okay, so first they said something like, paper or plastic? And I just stared at them. I had no idea what that meant. I thought maybe it was about money. Like, do you want to pay with paper money or a plastic card?
That is actually a very logical guess. But in this case, paper or plastic is a question about bags. They are asking, do you want a paper bag or a plastic bag for your shopping?
Oh my goodness, that is all it was.
That is all it was. And actually, in many places now, the cashier will just ask, "Do you need a bag?" So the full question is, "Do you need a bag?" And your answer can simply be, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you. I have my own."
Do you need a bag? Yes, please. That is so simple.
So simple. The next question the cashier will often ask is, "How would you like to pay?" This means, are you going to pay with cash or with a card?
And cash means physical money, right? The paper and coins?
Exactly. And card means a debit card or a credit card. So if you are paying with a card, you say, "I will pay by card, please." If you are paying with cash, you say, "I will pay with cash."
I will pay by card, please. I will pay with cash. Got it.
And the last common question at the checkout is, "Do you want your receipt?" A receipt is the small piece of paper that shows everything you bought and how much you paid. You can say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you."
Do you want your receipt? Yes, please. Or no, thank you. These are all so short.
That is the beauty of it, Jack. These are short, simple answers. The cashier does not expect a speech. They just need a quick, clear answer. And now you know all of them.
I feel so much better. Can we practice like a real situation?
Absolutely. Let us do a full role play right now. I will be the supermarket employee and then the cashier. You are the confident customer. Are you ready?
I am ready. Confident customer. That is me.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Oh, yes, please. Excuse me, where can I find the apples?
Of course. Apples are in aisle 4 on the left side.
Thank you so much.
Did you notice he said, excuse me, used the phrase, where can I find, and said, thank you. Perfect customer behavior. Now let us move to the checkout.
Hi there, just this one apple today.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. I am okay.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card, please.
Do you want your receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
And that is it. That is a complete successful supermarket visit in English. Jack, how did that feel?
It felt amazing, actually. I cannot believe how nervous I was before. Those conversations are so short and so manageable.
They really are. And the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. So let us do a quick recap of everything we learned today. First, a shopping cart is for many items, and a shopping basket is for a few items. Second, the word aisle. Remember, the S is silent, is the name for each row or section in the supermarket. Third, the most natural way to ask for help is, excuse me, where can I find? And finally, at the checkout, the 3 most common questions are, do you need a bag? How would you like to pay? And do you want your receipt?
And the answers are always very short. Yes, please, or no, thank you. And I will pay by card, or I will pay with cash.
You have got it completely. Jack, I think you are ready to go back and get that apple.
I am going right now, with a basket this time.
Thank you so much for watching today, everyone. You are not just a viewer. You are part of this English learning family, and we are so proud of the progress you are making every single day. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like, leave your comment below, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. We will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop learning.
Goodbye, everyone. Wish me luck with my apple.
Bye for now.